Hi, in this video we will create an animated PowerPoint slide. Let me show you the preview first. So when you click first, the first point is highlighted, then on next click second point is highlighted. In the same way third click and fourth click, and on the last click everything regains its original position. After that you can move to the next slide. So let's create it. So first thing I'll do is that I'll insert a blank slide, and after that I will go to insert tab. I click on shapes and insert a rounded rectangle shape from here. In this way you can adjust it as you want, and from here on the yellow circle you can adjust it a bit, its corners, and after that you can click on align and click on align middle so that it is in the middle of the slide, and I'll bring it to the some left, and after that I will remove its outline by clicking on no outline, and after that you can choose any color from here. Let's say I choose this one. So actually we have to choose the outline color, this one, and shape fill to no fill, and shape outline will increase its weight, let's say 3 points, and after that we'll click on this and go to the animations tab, and from here let us expand this, and after that click on object color, and this kind of animation is applied. Click on effect option and choose the same color which you chose previously for the outline. So I'll choose this color again, and this kind of effect is created. So let us preview this. So when I click, this kind of highlight is created. So our first round rectangle is created. So I'll duplicate it. So I duplicated it and I will place it here, and after that Control D again and again. So now our all four boxes are created. Let us change their colors. So I'll click here and go to the format tab, and I'll change its color to shape outline. I'll click on it, and from here I'll choose this color, and I'll go to animations, and from here I'll choose the same color, and on the third rectangle shape outline will go to, and we'll choose this light blue color, and in animations tab I'll choose the same color from here. So now the final one, I'll click here format tab and shape outline. I'll choose this color from here and go to the animations tab, effect option, and choose the same color. So now our animations are created. After that we have to go to insert tab, click on text box and draw a text box here, and you can type any text here. So now I'll click the whole text box by clicking on the boundary, and after that I'll centralize it and increase its size a little bit. After that I'll place it in the right middle of the box, and I'll arrange it right here, and after that Control I will press. Before that let me go in the format tab and shape fill, and I'll click on no fill. So let us press Control D to duplicate it, and I will place it right here in the center, and you can again press Control D for 2 times, and your text are ready. You can edit them and replace them with your own. So now let us preview these animations. So now first click, second click, third click, and fourth click. You can go with this animated slide, but if you want to create the slide as I showed you in the intro, so let us move ahead. Go to the animation pane, and now click the first rectangle, and after that now click on add animation. By clicking on add animation we have to again go to the object color, and from here we'll choose white. So after choosing white, from here we will click with previous, and from here we will take it here, that when second is shown the first should be disappear. Let me show you how. So on first click this is highlighted, and second click when this highlight, this removes with the previous. So now click on the second one and click on add animation, and from here again click on object color, and from here you will choose the white color again, and from here change it to the after previous and place it right here. and after that let me check. Sorry, we have to change it to the with previous. And now for the last third rounded rectangle, we have to again go to add animation and click on object color and choose the color white. So again we'll do the same with previous with it. And now let us play this slide. So first click, second click, third click, fourth click, and now everything is okay. But you can notice here one thing, that when I click last time, it doesn't regain this original formatting. So for that, click on this one and add animation and click on object color and choose the white color from here. And from here you can keep it same as on click. So now let me show you the slide. First click, second click, third, fourth and last. So our slide has regained its original formatting. So in this way you can create this engaging PowerPoint slide. For the similar videos you can subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end.